You jumping in?
100%. You can't not to.
I can definitely not to. God, this thing is just... Woo!
It's not that... Once you like heat up in the sauna, it's not bad.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Listen,
It's really not that bad.
we'll have you on video. Yeah, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Where are you going? It's this way. Hello.
Hello.
Reservation for the sauna.
No.
We just saw online that you had some 2:30 availability, maybe for 2 people. We'll just pay you here. Yeah.
How cold is the water?
About 12 degrees.
12 degrees. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. It's very refreshing.
It's gonna be fine.
That's what
Sauna
they...
is hot. Yeah.
It's refreshing.
The sauna is hot
It's
now.
refreshing.
I hope the sauna's hot.
75-ish degrees instead.
That's not bad.
Okay, so it's gonna be 445 each.
Okay. I'll pay for it.
You pay for
But
it.
only if you jump.
Oh,
How about this? Whoever
Yeah.
doesn't jump has to pay.
Okay, but you have to pay now.
No, exactly.
Oh
Reality
no,
check
we
here.
pay later. No, we.
You need a receipt.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
So the session starts at 2:30. There is, I think, like 8 more people coming.
Okay.
And this
it's gonna
one or
be
this one?
So you, if in the meantime you can check out our store. We
Okay.
have some
Okay.
shirts and.
And where can we change?
There is a changing room inside.
Inside?
I will-
Okay.
Oh look, there is something like that in there too?
yes.
Oh.
There's a hatch. You can actually swim under the boat. There is air under.
Oh,
So
Oh.
direction up
Cool.
to the front, because on the back is engine. So up to the front and up front is the ladder.
So,
Or you can just dive out, dive in. Up to you.
So when you're
Nice.
underneath the boat, no one can hear you scream when it's so cold.
Yeah.
It's some guys tells that it's easier to go directly from the sauna because it's still
Yeah.
really
It's
hot.
still really hot, yeah.
But-
This is a stress relief.
That looks just.
What?
I don't know.
But you can walk on it. It's
No, I'm saying it. The water looks cold.
It cannot look cold until you feel it.
You see
There's
how
no looking
you
cold.
see how
Actually,
greenish blue.
It looks cold during the winter when it's
Yes.
2 degrees and it's like
When there's
crystal
ice,
clean.
yeah.
And you can see the bottom and you're thinking, oh my god.
Yeah. Exactly.
Is there a bathroom anywhere?
Yes, up front the Flåm Marina apartments. I
Okay.
can give you a key card. So,
Thank you.
or she needs to give you a key card because
Yeah, I'm just gonna
she
go
took it.
change while we wait.
Well, they have a changing room on the sauna.
You have a changing
Yes.
room in there? Okay,
Yes,
good.
it's the same as
But if
here.
you want a coffee,
Okay.
We are
while you
selling
wait.
coffee,
Coffee
water,
will be good, yeah.
iced
I mean,
coffee or normal.
We only have 8 minutes.
you don't want a hot drink before you get into the hot sauna.
That's exactly my thought process. Do we need one? Do you want a coffee?
I don't want anything right now.
No, I think
but,
I'm
but
good.
you're always good
But
for coffee.
after, we are welcome to step back.
Yeah, after we can, yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that. With this girl can do it, you can do it.
Yeah, but this is cold. And she's probably from Sweden or someplace.
Yeah, I will explain in the meantime. So if you want to dip into the fjord, you can go from over here or jump up the rooftop that way
Yeah.
to the right.
Uh-huh.
So it's like 10 meters deep and about 12 degrees. Or you can just use this shower behind you if you don't want to go in.
Mm-hmm.
So you can come in, see?
Mm-hmm.
This is the
For your sauna?
Yeah. I'm not sure we're gonna spend a whole hour and a half here, but
That seems like a long time to spend
with
in a sauna.
yeah, 10 of your best friends.
I just want to go down from the hatch.
Yeah.
That looks interesting.
Are you ready?
Go.
Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so cool! Woo! It is not salty at all. I don't know what these people was talking. All right, let's do it. What's up, Florida boy?
Fjord shower?
Fjord shower. It's actually nice and warm.
I bet. You survived the floating sauna?
We did. Look at us.
It's actually nice outside.
It's actually really nice outside. After sweating our asses in the southern parts of Europe, this is a very nice indeed.
Right?
Beautiful summer here.
Well, that was the floating sauna in Flam.
Very, very cool.
Shall we?
Aren't you glad we did it?
Oh, so glad. I
on.
wish I could do it again.
You
Best-
wanted to.
Best $100 we spent today.
Listen, who cares? It's not even your money.
By the way, come to Norway.
can.
Everything is $50.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you want to go to the sauna? $50.
What
You want to go on
$50?
Want to go on a hike? $50. Burger and fries? Maybe 45. But literally every tour in this town is $50 a person.
Yeah. It is an expensive country.
Yeah.
Here's some
It's not
locals.
expensive. It's just not cheap.
Yeah.